Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best aquarium scraper is probably one of the most important tools for any aquarium enthusiast. Keeping your tank clean is crucial for the health of your fish and the beauty of your underwater world. In this video, we'll dive into the world of aquarium glass scrapers, exploring different types, features, and how to choose the perfect one to keep your aquarium crystal clear and your aquatic friends happy. Number 5. Magnetic Aquarium Glass Algae Scraper S. Tired of cloudy aquarium glass? This magnetic scraper makes cleaning a breeze. It uses a magnetic design to clean the inside and outside of your tank simultaneously. The scrubber side features a fabric with tiny hooks. This effectively removes algae without scratching the glass. The felt-covered handle ensures smooth gliding. Designed for ease of use, this scraper has a wide, chunky handle. The non-slip grip provides a secure hold, even when wet, making it easy to maneuver. No more fishing around in your tank. This scraper floats, so you can easily retrieve it. It allows you to clean without disturbing your aquatic friends. Made with waterproof plastic, this scraper protects the magnets from rust. Its durable construction ensures it will provide reliable cleaning for a long time. What we like. This magnetic scraper is a game-changer with its floating design, making it easy to retrieve without getting your hands wet. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free cleaning experience. If you have a large tank or prefer a convenient, mess-free cleaning solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The magnet is pretty strong. It actually made cleaning the tank a lot easier. It cleans super quick, much quicker than how I had been cleaning it. It's so easy to use, and does a very effective job of cleaning the gunk from the sides of the tank. Number 4. HOTOOLME 25.6 Aquarium Scraper. This scraper features an extendable handle, reaching up to 65 centimeters. It's perfect for cleaning glass aquariums and various glass surfaces, making descaling and debarking easy. The blade's hollow design reduces resistance and makes cleaning simple. It effortlessly removes grime from your aquarium glass, giving you a clear, transparent view in no time. Made with strong, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, it's ideal for both freshwater and saltwater aquariums. This scraper quickly cleans away moss, adhesives, and other organic matter. The blade is replaceable, extending the product's life. After removing the blade, it can also be used as a sand leveler, minimizing water disturbance and avoiding disruption to your fish and plants. The right-angle blade design helps clean the corners of your tank. You can easily scrape away unwanted buildup, leaving the glass clear and scratch-free. What we like. With its extendable handle, this scraper reaches every corner of your aquarium. The stainless steel blade ensures durability and effective cleaning. If you are looking for a scraper that offers both reach and longevity, this is an excellent choice, especially for larger tanks or hard-to-reach areas. What people say. Simple, effortless, perfectly clean glass. It handles cleaning tank walls faster than any other tool I've used. Very long extending handle for deep tanks. Number 3. Aquarium Algae Scraper Cleaner Brush with 26-inch. This aquarium scraper makes cleaning your tank a breeze. The wide razor blade easily removes algae from the glass. The soft yet sharp blade ensures that it won't scratch your tank. It's designed to be safe for your precious glass. The handle is made of aluminum magnesium alloy, making it both strong and lightweight. It's very easy to handle. The 26-inch handle is adjustable to different lengths. This allows you to use it on tanks of various sizes. It can also be used as a gravel spatula with the protection cover on. This tool is a must-have for any aquarium owner. What we like. This scraper's adjustable length makes it versatile for various tank sizes. The sharp blade effortlessly removes algae without scratching the glass. If you have multiple tanks or a growing aquarium, this adaptable tool will be a great addition. What people say. The full metal construction of the scraper ensures rigidity and longevity. The razor blades cut through algae like butter, leaving no residue behind, and the brush attachment allows you to clean in corners or awkward places. The razor scraper is very sharp and makes quick work of algae on the glass. Number 2. Stainless steel algae scraper cleaner for aquarium. This is a heavy-duty cleaner designed for both freshwater and saltwater tanks. It is built with stainless steel, ensuring it resists corrosion and lasts a long time. The handle is adjustable, extending up to 65 centimeters. This allows you to easily reach and clean those hard-to-access areas in your aquarium. The blade part is easily removable and replaceable. This feature makes it incredibly convenient to maintain and use the cleaner over time. The right-angle blade design is perfect for cleaning every corner of your aquarium tanks. It ensures a thorough cleaning of all surfaces. It comes with 10 extra blades for replacement. This ensures that you always have a fresh blade ready to tackle any algae on your glass tank surfaces. What we like. Built with stainless steel, this scraper is made to last in both freshwater and saltwater tanks. The adjustable handle and replaceable blades add to its practicality. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-maintain scraper, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Works perfectly and easily scrapes everything off, no real strength needed to make it work. This cleaned it off so easily and quick, I was really amazed and happy. It gets into all the edges, and harder to reach places. And just slides the algae off like butter. Number 1. AquaMiracle 6-in-1 Aquarium Cleaning Kit. This amazing kit is designed to keep your aquarium sparkling clean. It includes everything you need for easy maintenance, making it a must-have for any fish tank owner. The kit features 6 essential tools in one. It includes a metal blade, cleaning pads, a fish net, a gravel shaper, and a tube cleaner. This comprehensive set ensures every part of your tank is spotless. The tools have interchangeable heads that easily attach to the handle. This design saves space and makes storage simple. Changing tools is quick and convenient. The handle is made of lightweight carbon fiber and extends from 24.5 to 38 inches. This allows you to reach all areas of your tank with ease, suitable for tanks from 20 to 160 gallons. The flat and right-angle cleaning pads use nanotechnology for superior cleaning. They effectively remove dirt and algae from the glass surface. This ensures a clear and healthy environment for your fish. What we like. This 6-in-1 kit offers a comprehensive cleaning solution with its multiple attachments. The telescopic handle and nanotech cleaning pads enhance its usability. If you are looking for an all-in-one cleaning kit that covers all your aquarium maintenance needs, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The telescoping handle is astonishingly lightweight and also sturdy at the same time. I love the detachable heads which make it possible to transform this tool from a net, to a gravel groomer, to an algae scraper, to a glass cleaning sponge, in just a few seconds. Well built and designed, and the reach is awesome. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.